The waiting game is officially finished, and the new beast in the world of drones has finally landed. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is here, and it's not just an incremental upgrade, it's a monumental leap forward. This is the moment drone enthusiasts, professional aerial filmmakers, photographers, and content creators have all been waiting for. After months of endless speculation, cryptic teasers, regulatory leaks, and shaky product box photos appearing on forums, the curtain has finally been pulled back. And wow, what a reveal it is. The DJI Mini 5 Pro doesn't just raise the bar, it launches it into an entirely new stratosphere. If you thought the Mini 4 Pro was impressive, the Mini 5 Pro is DJI's way of saying, you haven't seen anything yet. With this release, DJI has essentially managed to fit the capabilities of a cinema production studio into something light enough to fit in your backpack. Let's dive into every single detail: specs, features, pricing, accessories, rumors, leaks, global release information, and why this drone might very well redefine the entire compact drone category in 2025. The camera, a giant leap in aerial imaging at. The heart of the DJI Mini 5 Pro sits a 1-inch 50-megapixel CMOS sensor paired with a blazing fast f1.8 aperture. What does this mean in the real world? Put simply, this is a drone camera designed to suck in every ounce of light and detail from the sky. Whether you're shooting in the golden glow of sunrise, the vibrant middle of the day, or the shadows of twilight. This new sensor isn't just bigger, it's smarter. It's built for high dynamic range, HDR scenes, giving your footage incredible contrast and lifelike color accuracy. DJI claims the Mini 5 Pro is capable of capturing up to 14 stops of dynamic range. For filmmakers, this is a huge deal. Imagine shooting a sunset where you can still see the textures of the clouds without blowing out the highlights, while the shadows remain clean and noise-free. That's the kind of cinema-grade quality we're now talking about. And here's the kicker. DJI has integrated 10-bit HLG and D-Log-M recording into this tiny drone. This means professional-level color grading is now accessible even to creators who are new to aerial videography. Paired with H.265 HEVC encoding, you get smoother files, better compression, and easier workflows for editing, even on laptops. For social media creators, DJI has nailed another key feature: true vertical shooting. Unlike simple crop and rescale tricks, the gimbal can rotate a jaw-dropping 225 degrees, allowing you to capture TikTok-ready vertical content without sacrificing image quality. For YouTubers, Instagram Reel creators, or even businesses looking to create vertical ads, this is game-changing. Slow motion, high frame rates, and next-level cinematic mode cinematographers love control. And the Mini 5 Pro doesn't disappoint. Want buttery smooth slow-motion footage? You've got it with 4K at 120 FPS. Want stunning HDR footage? You can shoot 4K at 60 FPS with full HDR enabled. The level of flexibility here is insane. You can shoot cinematic wide shots at 24 FPS for that true film look, or go ultra-fluid at 60 FPS for sports, action, or wildlife. Then there's hyperlapse mode, which has been further optimized to reduce jitter and allow for smoother, more stable shots even during long sequences. In short, the Mini 5 Pro is as comfortable shooting a music video as it is capturing your travel vlogs or corporate drone reels. Safety and flight technology. Smarter, safer, and more reliable. DJI has pushed boundaries here too. The Mini 5 Pro comes with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, powered not only by improved stereo cameras, but also fused with LiDAR technology. That means even in near-dark environments or tricky terrains, the drone can intelligently detect and avoid obstacles. And then there's ActiveTrack 360, a dramatically upgraded version of DJI's subject tracking system. Whether you're biking, skateboarding, or running, the drone can lock onto you at high speeds and track with cinematic smoothness. DJI has refined the algorithm so that the subject remains perfectly framed while the drone flies complex curves and maneuvers around objects. For professionals, this is a huge time saver. For beginners, it's peace of mind. Add in the fact that DJI has baked in return-to-home precision landing with LiDAR assistance, and you're looking at one of the safest compact drones ever released. Transmission, range, and battery life. No more limits. What good is a powerful camera drone if it can't stay in the air or loses signal constantly? The Mini 5 Pro eliminates those concerns with its cutting-edge specs, O4T plus transmission system. Offering a jaw-dropping 20km range, the drone can send 1080p 60 FPS video back to your controller with near-zero latency. This is especially helpful for live broadcasts and remote filming projects. Battery life. With the Plus battery, DJI claims a staggering 52 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. Even with the standard battery, you're still getting around 38-40 minutes, which is already class-leading. Intelligent battery optimization. DJI has added smart charging cycles, heat management, and better battery health monitoring, making long-term use safer and more reliable. For adventurers, this means more time in the air. For professionals, it means fewer interruptions during shoots. Price and packages. Surprisingly competitive. Now let's talk about cost. DJI has priced the Mini 5 Pro aggressively to maintain its sweet spot between affordability and professional features. Standard package. 809 Fly More Combo, 1029 Fly More Combo with DJI RC2. Controller, 1159. When you consider the feature set, these prices are actually competitive. DJI is essentially offering you a pro-level drone experience for less than half the price of bulkier flagship drones like the Mavic 3 Pro. For those who want the DJI RC2 controller, you'll love that it comes with a built-in display, eliminating the need to juggle your smartphone mid-flight. This alone makes the higher-tier package very appealing. Accessories, propellers, and noise rating. The leaks didn't stop at the drone itself. We've also seen details about new twist on-off propellers, priced at $19 per set or $69 for the full quick-release propeller guard kit. This is great news for frequent flyers who want quick swaps during shoots. And here's something subtle yet important. DJI has added an 81 dB printed noise rating on the drone's body. This isn't just a random number. It's specifically to comply with EU drone noise regulations. Interestingly, independent tests suggest the Mini 5 Pro is actually quieter than the listed number, meaning you'll disturb people and wildlife less during your flights. DJI also hinted at optional ND filters, extended battery packs, and even a new magnetic gimbal guard system for easier portability, global release, and regulatory approvals. Here's where things get really interesting. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has already been spotted in the FCC database in the United States, a clear signal of an imminent release in the American market. Regulatory filings like these typically show up just weeks before launch, so this matches perfectly with the September 2025 timeline. However, US availability may face initial hiccups. Current customs enforcement policies under the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act have created some logistical hurdles for DJI products entering the country. That said, DJI has firmly stated they have no plans to withdraw from the US market. Translation: the Mini 5 Pro is coming to America. It just might face slight launch day shortages. In Europe, the EU drone rule compliance is confirmed, with weight classifications keeping it in the sub-250G category, meaning fewer restrictions for casual pilots. In Asia, retailers have already hinted at a mid to late September rollout, aligning with DJI's tradition of Thursday launches. DJI Osmo Nano, the surprise companion, but DJI isn't stopping with just the Mini 5 Pro. Alongside the leaks, we've also seen DJI Osmo Nano listings appear online. This ultralight POV wearable camera could be the perfect companion device for drone pilots and vloggers, available in 64GB and 128GB versions. The Osmo Nano is positioned to directly rival the Insta360 Go 3S. It features magnetic modular design, stabilized footage, and even direct compatibility with DJI wireless microphones. For creators, this combo, Osmo Nano on the ground and Mini 5 Pro in the air, could redefine how stories are captured in 2025. Imagine seamlessly blending wearable footage with cinematic aerial shots, all within the same ecosystem. Final thoughts. Why the Mini 5 Pro matters. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another drone release, it's a turning point. DJI has packed pro-level specs into a drone that remains lightweight, travel-friendly, and regulation-friendly.